If you're struggling with dry, dull, or aging skin, incorporating a serum with hyaluronic acid into your routine can be a game changer. Hyaluronic acid is renowned for its ability to deeply hydrate and plump skin, helping reduce fine lines and enhance overall texture. Today, we're breaking down the best serums with hyaluronic acid 1 to 5 to help you find the perfect match for your skin's hydration needs. Whether you want intense moisture or skin barrier support, this guide covers effective, dermatologist-backed options for radiant, healthy skin. Off our list at number 1, La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5. The La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 serum is a dermatologist's favorite, formulated with 2 types of hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to provide multi-level hydration and promote skin repair. This serum is designed for sensitive, dry, and mature skin, focusing on restoring plumpness while soothing irritation and supporting skin regeneration. It combines science and gentle care in a lightweight, fast-absorbing gel texture that fits seamlessly into any skincare routine. Key features: the formula contains both high and low molecular weight hyaluronic acid for hydration at various skin depths, vitamin B5 to accelerate healing, and madecassoside for anti-inflammatory benefits. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and tested on sensitive skin. The serum comes in a hygienic dropper bottle that protects the integrity of active ingredients. Benefits and usage: regular use helps visibly plump fine lines, improve elasticity, and restore a youthful glow. Vitamin B5 supports the skin's natural repair processes, while madecassoside calms redness and inflammation. Apply morning and night on cleansed skin, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. It suits sensitive skin types well and can be layered with other treatments. Usability: the gel-like serum absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. The dropper allows precise application, and the lightweight texture makes it easy to layer under makeup or other products. It feels soothing upon application, making it comfortable for dry or sensitive skin. Durability: the serum's packaging protects the formula from oxidation, ensuring the hyaluronic acid and other actives remain effective for months. A 30 milliliters bottle generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks with consistent twice-daily use. Offering good value for a premium product, we have SkinCeuticals Hydrating. SkinCeuticals Hydrating B5 Gel is a hydration-boosting serum packed with pure hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. It's clinically tested to restore moisture levels and improve skin texture, making it ideal for dehydrated or aging skin. The lightweight gel formula absorbs instantly, providing a refreshing hydration surge that supports skin barrier function. This serum is often recommended by dermatologists for its proven efficacy and compatibility with all skin types. Key features: the serum combines 1% pure hyaluronic acid with vitamin B5 to enhance skin repair and hydration. It is free from parabens, dyes, and fragrances, reducing the risk of irritation. The gel texture is non-comedogenic and absorbs quickly without clogging pores or leaving a greasy finish. Benefits and usage: with continued use, it restores skin's moisture balance, smooths fine lines caused by dryness, and improves skin resilience. The vitamin B5 supports the skin's natural healing process, enhancing overall skin health. Apply a few drops to clean skin morning and night before moisturizer. It pairs well with other treatments, including retinol or antioxidants. Usability: the silky gel formula glides on effortlessly and absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling soft and supple. Its lightweight nature makes it suitable for layering with makeup or heavier creams. The bottle features a hygienic pump dispenser for controlled, MESS-free application Durability. SkinCeuticals uses airtight packaging to preserve ingredient potency. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with daily use. Proper storage away from heat and light helps maintain its effectiveness over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Vichy Mineral 89. Vichy Mineral 89 Serum is a hydrating and fortifying treatment that blends 89% mineral-rich thermal water with hyaluronic acid to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and boost hydration. Known for its soothing properties, this serum is especially beneficial for sensitive or reactive skin. It's lightweight. Gel-like texture delivers an instant moisture surge, while protecting skin from environmental aggressors. Key features: the formula consists of 89% Vichy thermal water enriched with minerals and 1.5% hyaluronic acid. It is free from parabens, fragrance, and alcohol. The serum's minimalist ingredient list focuses on skin barrier support and hydration without unnecessary additives. The pump bottle ensures hygiene and precise dispensing. Benefits and usage: Mineral 89 improves skin hydration, reinforces the skin's natural defenses, and reduces dryness and sensitivity. Its soothing effect helps calm redness and discomfort associated with compromised skin barriers. Use it daily on cleansed skin, morning and night, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen. Suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Usability: the gel serum spreads easily and absorbs quickly without leaving residue. It's lightweight and non-greasy, making it excellent for layering under makeup or heavier creams. The pump dispenser provides easy, hygienic application. Durability: Vichy's packaging protects the formula's active ingredients from oxidation and contamination. A 50 milliliters bottle generally lasts 8 to 10 weeks with regular use, offering great value for its premium formulation. Taking our 4th spot is Olay Regenerist. Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Serum is a popular anti-aging serum that combines hyaluronic acid with aminopeptides and niacinamide to hydrate and visibly improve skin firmness and texture. This serum targets signs of aging while providing intense moisture to plump and smooth the skin. It's creamy, fast-absorbing texture makes it a luxurious yet affordable option for those seeking hydration and anti-aging benefits in one product. Key features: the formula includes hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, aminopeptides to support collagen production, and niacinamide to even skin tone and improve barrier function. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for daily use on all skin types. The serum is presented in a pump bottle for convenient, hygienic use. Benefits and usage: with consistent application, the serum reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, firm skin, and improves elasticity. It replenishes moisture, making skin appear plumper and more youthful. Apply to clean skin morning and night before moisturizer. It works well alone or under makeup and pairs well with other anti-aging products. Usability: the lightweight cream serum absorbs quickly without leaving residue or stickiness. The pump allows easy, controlled dosing, making it user-friendly for daily routines. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and combination skin. Durability: Olay's packaging preserves ingredient efficacy for months. A 50 milliliters bottle usually lasts 8 to 10 weeks with regular use, providing excellent value for an anti-aging, hydrating serum. At number 5, we have CeraVe Hydrating. CeraVe Hydrating Serum combines hyaluronic acid with essential ceramides to deliver hydration while repairing and restoring the skin's protective barrier. Designed with dermatologist input, it caters to dry and sensitive skin types, providing long-lasting moisture without irritation. The serum uses patented MVE technology for gradual ingredient release, enhancing hydration over time. Key features: this formula contains hyaluronic acid for moisture attraction and ceramides 1, 3, and 6 to repair and strengthen the skin barrier. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for sensitive skin. The lightweight serum absorbs quickly and supports skin health beyond hydration. Benefits and usage. The serum improves skin hydration, helps restore the protective barrier, and soothes dry, irritated skin. Its gentle ingredients make it ideal for sensitive or eczema-prone skin. Use twice daily on clean skin before moisturizing. Regular use enhances skin texture and resilience. Usability. The serum feels light and absorbs rapidly without greasiness or stickiness. The pump dispenser allows hygienic and precise application, suitable for layering with other skincare products and makeup. Durability. With controlled release technology and protective packaging, the serum maintains potency for months. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with daily use. Offering reliable hydration and skin barrier support. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. And the right serum with hyaluronic acid can transform your complexion by boosting moisture, smoothing texture, and supporting skin barrier health. From La Roche-Posay's soothing Hyalu B5 to CeraVe's ceramide-enriched hydration, these top 5 serums cater to different skin types and concerns. Consistent use combined with proper skincare steps will unlock their full benefits. Which serum with hyaluronic acid fits your skincare needs? Let us know your favorite in the comments below.